Hi friends, this is a short video of the unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 13 256GB version that I purchased from the Apple store here in Bengaluru, India. So let's do it. This is the box. It has a very sleek design and very compact. The back side has all the details, usual details of the importer, manufacturer, and also the version of this iPhone. It's the 256GB version. It also contains the IMEI and other details. This is the actual set. Let's open the sticker. This is the 6.1-inch screen. Behind there is the Apple logo. So this is the regular blue version color. It also comes with USB-C to Lightning cable. There is no adapter. You need to purchase the USB-C adapter separately in order to plug it into the wall socket. It also comes with a single sticker, Apple sticker, as well as the SIM card change pin. This is the Apple sticker. Let's see the phone itself and power on. So to turn the iPhone on, you just need to long press the power on button until the Apple logo comes up. Overall, a very sturdy phone. This is the welcome screen. I had done this initial setup at the shop itself just to test out the phone. So you just need to wait until the welcome screen comes up. There's the Namaste written in Hindi. It also comes with other languages as well. So it will ask you to choose the language and then the country. Select India. And then the quick start guide comes up and you can set it up manually. So if you have an existing iPhone, you can directly transfer the contents and the data onto the new phone. It's very seamless. You just need to reinstall all the apps and all the data will be preserved as such. This is how the home screen looks like. This is the about info in the settings about the phone itself. It will show you the software version, which is iOS 15, the latest from Apple. And this is how the photos will scroll. It's pretty fast. It comes with the A15 Bionic chip, which is the latest from the Apple stable with 60 Hz refresh frequency. And it has 4GB RAM, I guess, though officially not revealed by Apple. And comes with dual camera. Normal phone operations to look very seamless and butter smooth. Comes with the Dolby speakers. I just opened YouTube and trying to play a song in 4K mode. The clarity is pretty awesome and sharp. Very nice experience indeed. So this is the dual camera system, 12 MP rear cameras. And the notch is a bit smaller than the earlier versions of iPhone. The phone cameras, the lens is a bit larger as well. And this is the power on power off button. This is the USB-C charging cable port and the speaker. So the overall body is made of aluminum frame. So overall this phone looks a pretty nice upgrade if you're looking to upgrade from your iPhone 10 or iPhone 10R, and also iPhone 11 to some extent. The camera also has the cinematic mode incorporated in it. So if you are shooting live videos, you can have the feature to adapt the focus on the subject, which is a pretty good enhancement to the cameras done by Apple. So this is a short review, and the phone itself looks very good and sleek to hold as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.